In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop shapes on Canva. Let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, I need you to click the following options and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're all set, you're good to go. Cropping shapes on Canva is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your design process and the overall visual impact of your projects. Cropping images into different shapes can make your design stand out and look more creative compared to using standard rectangular images. To crop shapes in Canva, head to the Elements tab. You can search for different shapes or images like this subscribe button or an image. Once you've selected the image, you'll notice there's an option that says Edit Image. Click on this and it will open the crop tool. Here, you have several options: freeform cropping, aspect ratio cropping, and smart cropping. Freeform allows you to crop the image however you like, while the aspect ratio option lets you crop based on specific dimensions. The smart cropping feature is available for pro subscribers, which automatically adjusts the crop to focus on the subject of the image. If you want to crop an image into a specific shape, simply drag the image within the shape's borders, adjusting it to fit. You can also adjust the size of the image to fit it perfectly within the shape. This way, you can crop images and shapes to highlight specific parts of your image or fit them into designated spaces, ensuring no awkward gaps or misalignment in your design. You can also crop videos in Canva. Just select the video, click on Edit Image, and then Crop. You can adjust the video the same way you would with an image to fit your design perfectly. And that's it. You've learned how to crop shapes and videos in Canva. This process adds layers of creativity to your designs, making them more visually appealing and interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.